Hi, my name is Justin Conway. Today I'm going to talk about how to create PNG images. The best way to create a PNG is, if you have Photoshop, is to simply save as PNG, and I'll walk through how to do that. Reason you might want to do this is PNG are great. I typically use them when I need a transparent background behind the image. So typically when you save a JPEG, it's going to save with a white background or whatever background you have in there. So if you crop around an image, let's say it's just a circle, but the border of your actual document is a square, you're going to have that white space around the circle, or black, whatever it is, blank space behind it. With a PNG, you can get a nice transparent background. I'll walk through how to do that. So here I have an image of myself. You go to File, Save As, and from this drop-down list here, instead of selecting JPEG, we're simply going to select PNG. And that's it. I'll save it as a copy, and I'll put it on my desktop. Save. It'll ask you the PNG options if you want it interlaced or not, and then click OK. It'll process. That's basically it for that. If you have an image that's already saved in a different file format, maybe you don't have Photoshop, there are free softwares that you can download off the internet that'll allow you to convert files. And I believe some of them will also cover PNG files. If you already have a background in that picture, though, it won't take out the background. It'll actually just transfer it to a PNG file. So it could be useful to you, but then again, if you want that transparency, Photoshop's the best way to go. And that's basically how to transfer to PNG files. My name is Justin Conway. I hope that helped. Thanks.